Recipe of the tribe paisa.
Hello, my name is Sara Cicero Rodriguez.
And I am Julian David Vasquez Villa. Then we will talk about the preparation of the paisa tribe.
Ingredients to make the beans:
Plantain,
water,
beans,
carrot.
and pezuña.
Preparation:
The water is heated.
the beans are added,
The carrot,
the platinum,
the pezuña.
salt, the taste, and cook for 40 and 5 minutes.
They lower themselves, let themselves come back, and their ones are made of branch.
Ingredients to make the rice:
2 cups of water,
a cup of rice.
salt and oil.
Preparation:
2 cups of water is added.
the cup of rice.
Salt to the taste and a spoon of oil.
Ingredients to make the ground meat:
Ground meat,
ground branched onion,
garlic.
and tomato sauce.
Preparation:
The meat is cooked.
the onion is added and the garlic is added.
To the last tomato sauce.
Ingredients to make the chicharrones needed:
Bacon
sodium bicarbonato.
and salt.
Preparation:
The bacon is first cooked.
it is thick with bicarbonate.
It is fried and it is added salt to the taste.
Sauce: the chorizos are made a small cut and are fried.
Egg. The egg break and simply fried.
Mature tajada: the mature tajada is done too. We cooked a mature plantain, we reboned it, we put to fry and ready.
Avocado. The avocado is reborn as final result a rice
Try paisa.
paisa.